Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to export using Lumafusion. In order to begin, first off you're going to want to make sure that you have installed Lumafusion on your device, and once you have a project open, then you will be met with a screen similar to this. What you are looking for is here at the bottom right hand corner, the box with the arrow pointing up. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you can export in several different options here. We're going to go ahead and export as a movie. And then from here, you can export to different locations. So if you want photos, or if you have a linked folder, your external hard drive, if you want to share straight to YouTube, or you can even edit, add destinations. We're going to go ahead and select photos. And then from here, you have your basic settings. So you have your resolution, and you have a variety of options here to choose from. You've got your frame rate, you've got your video quality, you can choose from a variety here as well, and you have your audio quality. We've got some other options here as well, but those are the main ones that you're going to be using. When you're exporting, if you look here at the bottom, it will show you how much space is needed for the export, and you can modify that to some degree by changing the quality. And this is good if you have a project that is not completed, but you want to export it for whatever reason, you just want to take a look at it, then it's a good idea to go with the lower quality so that way you're not taking up so much space. And we'll go ahead and stick with that for now. And once we're done selecting everything we need, then up at the top right hand corner, we're going to press the button that looks like the square with the arrow pointing up. And there you go. Now the movie is writing, it is exporting, and once that's finished, you should have that in your photo library. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.